it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Records Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're back. We're here with Alkaline Surveillance. Alkaline. Let me just say this. Big up all of the people that show me love at Jamaica with you. Big up all of the people. Well, we just fall back yesterday. Big up, special big up to the police officer at Norman Manley International Airport. Officer Anthony, big up yourself, sir. I said I would shout you out on the massacre reaction when that song they dropped, because that song they tell me about. So big up yourself, sir. Thank you for the support. Big up the youth where do the wheelchair assistant. Never get a name of them, but you shout me up. Big up the girl when a duty free. Yo, big up everybody where shout me out. Even in the street, same way, you see me? Yeah, big up on yourself. I love alone. You hear that? So today we're there with Alkaline Surveillance. As you can hear from my voice, it's not all there. Catch fresh cold on the plane when I come up to the AC. But let's go to one and here with the GSM, man. Let's go.
Pull up! Let's go!
Alkaline Surveillance.
Suit me I'm not tired of you. Slap where my mates want we. Beautiful. Appearance. Girl, you're so bad, you feel under surveillance.
Hold on, man. Alkaline with the girl song. Down a different. Let me just say this. So Alkaline have the girl under surveillance because of her appearance. She look good. When girl look good, they might watch it straight out.
Suit me out.
The man, no shame in the IG game. He might watch it straight out, woman. That's all. Right, that's all. Watch her, my G. Let's go.
Appearance. Girl, you're so bad, you feel under surveillance. Like you're done with no interference. Nothing else in the world than to see you dance. Surveillance.
Hold on. Lock you down with no interference. So put your phone on airplane mode. Mama, you don't have to turn off your phone now. Just put it on airplane mode. Do not disturb. Nobody can't. No, do not disturb until you leave this location. Big up all the iPhone users them. Lock you down. Yeah. Private dance the G1. You know what thing.
World and to see you dance. Surveillance. Girl, you just look so damn good. Like a lady should. Really have me hypnotized. Why is the revolutionized?
Rude.
No figure, lace it like shoes.
Yo! The boss of my lace up like a shoes, brother.
The revolution.
Not the same shoes we send teacher got prison. Not that shoes there. No. Shoes in my talk Nike, yeah.
Let's
go.
No figure, lace it like shoes. Love it, you can tell.
Nothing at all, one of a kind, mama.
This is something else. Appearance. Girl, you're so bad, you feel under surveillance. Pull up! Yo! Let's go again.
Big up the ladies them who confident in them skin. Big up the ladies them who know see how them look damn good without a man have to tell them. Big up the ladies them who don't need no acceptance from no boy. Woman, you look good. Big up yourself. Them woman, the confident one them. Let's go again. That one there phone up.
Suit me out.
Cause you have some girl where them have doubt in themselves. Them are wait for acceptance from somebody else. Not that type of one them big up. Me big up the one them who know see them truly confident in themselves. Ready again. Appearance.
Trigger spots. My mates want we. Beautiful appearance. Girl, you're so bad, you feel under surveillance. Lock you down with no interference. Nothing else in the world than to see you dance. Surveillance. Girl, you just look so damn good. Like a lady should.
Yeah.
Really have me hypnotized. Wine the revolutionize. Your figure, no figure, lace it like shoes. Love it, you can tell. No war on charge, them have nothing by you. This is something else. Appearance. Girl, you're so bad, you feel under surveillance. Lock you down with no interference. Yeah, me liking your fragrance.
Smell good, mama.
Give me value. Tweet I want to know when your trigger spots all on your body. Let's get away. Center attention clock, I think I watch you. Even your flaws, it's just so good for ritual. Appearance. Girl, you're so bad, you feel under surveillance.
They're different.
Knock you down with no interference. Yeah, me liking your fragrance.
Vendetta boss at them, man. You Vendetta boss. Big up the Alkaline fan, them, you know. Big up Vendetta fans, them, you know. What do you think about that one? The one is different from the G. The G is sing outright. Appearance. Mama, you might lock you down. Yo, you're under surveillance. Yeah, if you watch it right through, can't make a move. Yeah, lock you down. No disturbance. Private dance. Them thing that the boss are talk about. Yeah, big up the woman them are confident in them own skin, man. Big up the girls them know say, yo, them look damn good. No man have to tell them that. Yeah. No one different from Alkaline say. Me like it. Alkaline, I show him versatility as always, because Alkaline is a very versatile artist. So big up myself, my G. Me like that one, yeah. Keep putting out the work. Vendetta fans, drop a like on the video, no, man. Drop a like on the video, no, man. And drop a comment and let me know what you think about that one. You see me? You don't even have to be a Vendetta fans. Just if you like good music, let me know. Let me know what you think about that one. You see me? Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.